If you're seeing an MSN error while signing in, don't worry, this is usually something simple to fix. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to clear the problem and get signed back into MSN again. This is a great fix if your login keeps failing, the page won't load properly, or MSN just keeps looping back to the sign-in screen. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's go step by step. First, open your browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, or whichever browser you normally use to access MSN. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. This opens your browser settings and gives you access to your privacy tools. From the menu, click Settings. Now inside Settings, go to Privacy and Security. This section controls the cookies, cache, and browsing data stored by your browser. Next, click Delete Browsing Data. This is where we can clear out the saved files that may be causing the MSN sign-in error. When the Delete Browsing Data window opens, make sure you select Cookies and Other Site Data. Cookies are often the reason a sign-in page stops working correctly because they can become outdated or corrupted over time. After selecting that option, click Delete Data. Give the browser a moment to clear everything. Once that's finished, go back to msn.com. Now try signing in again with your Microsoft account. In many cases, this fresh sign-in will work because the browser is no longer using the broken old cookies that were causing the error. If it still doesn't work right away, you can try refreshing the page, closing and reopening the browser, or making sure you're using the correct Microsoft account details. But in most cases, clearing cookies and site data is the fix that gets MSN signing in properly again. So just to recap, open your browser, go to Settings, open Privacy and Security, delete browsing data, select cookies and other site data, delete the data, and then return to msn.com and sign in again. It's a quick process, but it can solve a lot of annoying sign-in issues. If this video helped you fix the MSN error signing in, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.